Hello friends, this is lesson number 80. The topic is tenses. We will have a little bit of explanation, plus we will see how to sign sentences clearly. We will cover simple present tense, past tense and future tense in this topic. We will see how to sign these three simple tenses along with expressions and body movements. We will take the verbs from lesson number 2. We will choose the verbs from lesson number 2 and we will make sentences in the three tenses so that we can understand better. The first verb we will look at is go. Let's look at the sentence construction. This is the way we sign I go to school every day. I, school, go, every day. So that is the order, and along with the facial expressions, they mean I go to school every day. Now let's look at the past tense. School, go, finish, yesterday. That is to denote the past tense. School, go, finish, yesterday. Future tense. School, go, will, tomorrow. I, school, go, tomorrow. Similarly, we can make sentences from any of the verbs in present, past and future tenses. You can connect the words and make sentences in a very simple way. Now, let's go to verb 2. Run. Run every day, for I run every day. Past tense. Yesterday, run, finish. That would be I ran yesterday. For future tense, it would be tomorrow, run, will, for I will run tomorrow. So that's the three tenses. So let's sign sentences for word number 3, read. I read a book every day. Read, book, every day. For yesterday I read a book. Yesterday, read, book, finish. Read, book, finish, yesterday. For the future tense, I will read a book tomorrow. The sign would be tomorrow, book, will, read. So, hope you have understood the sentences clearly. You can take any verb and sign that in present, past and future tenses. Expressions are important to denote past, future, and present. Expressions are different, so that's the grammar of sign language, which is different from the grammar of a verbal language. The structure is different. As you keep practicing, you will understand the differences. So remember to keep practicing. Thank you. Bye-bye.